3 Sonoran Pronghorn trot on the dusty grounds within the tall circular enclosure called boma. This is where the annual capture and release of the Sonoran Pronghorn happens. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the Barry M. Goldwater Range, the Bureau of Land Management, the National Park Service, and other partners are in the desert at dawn to help save this endangered species. At the Cabeza Prieta National Wildlife Refuge, within a 1-mile square pen, are 3 bomas. Outside the bomas, the team gets ready near the blue shade tents. The team circles up to review their goal: to safely, calmly, and quickly work up nearly 50 pronghorn before the day gets too warm. First, the pronghorn whisperer sorting team separates 3 pronghorn from the larger herd so that the animals are easier to catch, access, and release. Next, the large team lines up on the outside of the boma door and the bouncer opens the gate and the team enters. Once inside, the wallflower team rapidly stands against the boma wall to prevent injuries to the pronghorn. The net team swiftly and gently captures each pronghorn with a net. Once captured, the mugger team will hold the pronghorn and place blindfolds to keep the animal calm. A sorting and know-it-all team member deliberately checks her notes to identify the pronghorn. The veterinarian team monitors temperatures, collects samples, administers vaccines, and performs an overall health assessment. The team works quickly but carefully. The veterinarian team places GPS collars on adult pronghorn. For the pronghorn safety, all of this must take place ideally in under 3 minutes. The stretcher team transport the pronghorn using a flexible stretcher and takes the animals towards the shade tents. If the pronghorn is translocated into wild populations, the animal is given calming sedatives, carried into a trailer, and then driven to predetermined locations such as the Barry M. Goldwater Range, seen here with a jet flying overhead. Most of the pronghorn are returned to the semi-captive breeding pen. This team carefully removes the pronghorn's blindfold and gently places the animal on the ground. And without any hesitation, North America's fastest land mammal darts away from the team. This process repeats. For over 20 years, the Sonoran Pronghorn Recovery Team has improved and refined the capture and release process so that each step is as gentle as possible to the pronghorn. Thanks to this team, around 450 Sonoran pronghorn now live in southwest Arizona, allowing it to remain an iconic part of the Sonoran Desert. Special thanks to Barry M. Goldwater Range.